Hi Sumit, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be taking us through the sewing process of this beautiful streetwear jacket. And if this feels like what you love, kindly hit the subscribe button and watch to the end. The drafting tutorial of this very jacket is already on our channel, so check that out if that feels like what you love. The first thing you want to do is to join both shoulders together, and when you are done it will look like this.
I'm just going to close it. You can always use have and hinge when you are doing it, depending on the allowance you do.
Do the same thing to the other side of your jacket, so you automatically closing both sides.
We are almost done. We are almost done. So the next thing I want to do is to fix the neck. Before we close it. You measure around it to know. Oh, you just wish you can see. Just measure around. Just measure around. You know it's going to be really cute. So we asked 27.
Let's go ahead and cut the band, the neck band.
27. So I don't want 27. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am using 24. I'm using 24 instead of 27. I get. This side is not straight. See, when this side is straight, ensure that it's very straight. Okay, as well, just do it like this. You can do it like this and stitch the middle small. Like, can just stitch the middle small. Let you. This is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be. So you are going to ensure that you are sewing the middle. So you can fold it like this and notch the middle. So fold it into two like this. Notch the middle. Small. Notch the middle. So you now keep it. And you know that this is the back. This is the front. This is the back of the front. So you now keep it like this. Stitch inside by 1 inch. That is at the back. Stitch in by 1 inch. By 1 inch. I don't want it more than 1 inch.
When you open it up, it will look exactly like this. When you turn to the front, it will look exactly like this.
So this is what I did.
Arrange the band very well and place the middle slit of that band to the V-neck of your t-shirt, right side facing each other as shown. Ensure that you are placing each of them, it should be the middle of each other. Ensure that they both align. You can use a safety pin and pin it down before sewing, but if you know you can do it perfectly, just go ahead and stitch,
So the
starting from there, and ensure that it doesn't move. Use your hand to control it.
Ensure that as you are sewing, I will now step out of this side. Now come to this side. If I didn't have a weaving and sewing machine, if I did not have a weaving and sewing machine, this is simply what I would have done. You know already this load was like this. It was like this. So what I would have done would have just been
Yes, it's exactly how I showed you, and stitch it with your manual machine.
so that is simply what I would have done if I did not have that machine. This is the back, this is the back. This is how the back is. The back view is, and this is how the front is. That is detail. That should be detailed in the back. I hope you understand. This is just what I would do. If I'm using a tipping machine, I will not have to bend it into two. I will just bend it once. I will show you the how. Have you seen how it is? It's locking the back side. It's locking it.
If you are using your manual machine, fold that armhole, fold it into two and stitch on it gently. Stitch all through it gently. This is one side of the armhole. You know it's sleeveless, so there's no hand. So that's sleeveless. This is what we are actually doing to make it neat. Do the same thing to the other side of the sleeve.
Do the same thing to this small hand. I'm doing the downside. the same thing, exactly what we did to the hand. So when you see a single bend, like just a single stitch at the downside, you realize, you just have it in mind, just know that it's either they are using manual machine. You get, people selling it will not know, people buying it will not know, but you that is sewing it, you should come to your mind that, oh, they are using manual machine. So you can use your manual machine to give a single bending at the down. If you can iron it, and it will give you a very
And when you are done ironing, it will look exactly like this. If you found this tutorial useful, kindly subscribe to our channel and see you in our next